Some nice hammers. I have the 22 ounce at home. 17 ounce, 22 ounce right there. And then if you like DeWalt, they also have DeWalt 22 ounce also. Here's long reach. This is a 48 22 6101. $48 22 6100. This is the lineman's pliers. That's really nice. This is for this price. This is a good good set to have. This is 48 22 1503. Sometimes you can only find one of these for that price. Here's a 6-in-1. I have this one also. This is the 48 22 1505. Another one. So here you go. This is $17.99 and it's in this kit. And for a little bit more, you can get the compact. That's a good deal. And here's the compact for $11.99. Might as well get that. That's a good deal right here, folks. Come on down. Highway 2 Hardware. You got replacement blades also.